We've all been there. You're walking down the street, lost in your favorite podcast, and then silence. Or maybe it's a crackle, a pop, a sudden stutter. You're on a crucial work call, and your colleague's voice becomes a robotic, garbled mess. It's frustrating and disruptive. It's a tiny, everyday annoyance that has a surprisingly big impact on our modern wireless lives. It's the sound of a failed connection. In our hyper-connected world, wireless earbuds have become essential gear. Yet, that freedom often comes with a hidden cost, an unstable connection that can fail us at the worst moments. The feeling is familiar. This constant dance with technology is something we've grown to accept. But should we? The truth is, you can achieve that perfect, uninterrupted audio stream you've been chasing. In this guide, we're going to dive deep into the real reasons your Bluetooth connection falters and give you simple, actionable steps to finally fix it for good. Your days of frustrating audio dropouts are numbered. It's 2025. Our phones are practically supercomputers, our watches can monitor our health in real time, and our homes are getting smarter every day. So, a simple question arises. Why is something as fundamental as a stable Bluetooth connection still such a common problem? You'd think that, after decades of development, this technology would be flawless by now. We've sent rovers to Mars and created artificial intelligence that can write poetry, yet keeping a stable audio link between two devices that are mere feet apart can feel like an impossible task. The reality is that the wireless world we live in is far more complex than it appears. The very air around us is a battleground for signals. Your Bluetooth earbuds are not operating in a vacuum, they are competing for space in an increasingly crowded radio frequency spectrum. Think about everything that uses wireless signals in your immediate vicinity. There's your home Wi-Fi network, your neighbor's Wi-Fi, your microwave oven, your smart TV, and even other Bluetooth devices like keyboards and smartwatches. All of these signals are flying through the air, creating a chaotic, invisible storm of data. Your earbuds are trying to maintain a clean, stable conversation in the middle of this digital noise, and sometimes they just get drowned out. Furthermore, the technology itself has its own limitations. Bluetooth was designed as a low-power, short-range communication standard. Its primary goal was convenience, not high fidelity, mission-critical performance. While newer versions like Bluetooth 5.0 and beyond have brought significant improvements, they can't completely rewrite the laws of physics. Physical obstacles are a major enemy of Bluetooth. Your own body can block the signal, a phenomenon known as body mass interference. Walls, furniture, and even a thick jacket can weaken the connection, leading to those annoying audio glitches. So, while technology has advanced, so has the complexity of our digital environment. Manufacturers are constantly pushing the boundaries, releasing firmware updates and new hardware to combat these issues. But the problem is a moving target. As one issue gets solved, new challenges emerge. The number of wireless devices per person is only growing, making the airwaves more congested than ever before. This is why, even with the latest and greatest 2025 earbuds, you can still experience problems. But understanding this battlefield is the first step to winning the war for a stable, crystal clear connection. It's not just about having the best gear, it's about knowing how to make it work in your world. Let's start with interference, the biggest culprit behind most Bluetooth dropouts. The air around us is filled with invisible radio waves, all competing for the same limited space. The main source of this chaos is often your own Wi-Fi network. Both Bluetooth and most Wi-Fi routers operate on the same 2.4 GHz frequency band. Your earbud's tiny low-power signal can easily get lost in that congestion, resulting in stutters or complete signal loss. Many common household appliances are also secret signal jammers. Microwave ovens, for example, are notorious for disrupting Bluetooth connections. Walking through a crowded city means you are navigating a dense forest of competing signals. Even physical structures can act as barriers. Concrete walls and metal beams can absorb and block the short-range radio waves that Bluetooth relies on. You're navigating a complex, ever-changing landscape of signals. Outdated firmware is like an enemy within your earbuds. Think of it as the operating system, telling your earbuds how to function, from connecting to your phone to processing audio and conserving battery. Like your phone, it needs regular updates to perform its best. Firmware updates contain crucial bug fixes and performance enhancements, addressing connectivity issues. Ignoring updates is like skipping car tune-ups. Performance suffers. Earbud updates are in a companion app. This app delivers vital updates. When earbuds act up, check for a firmware update. It's the fastest path to a more stable listening experience. The initial connection, or pairing, is where a stable connection is built. A weak initial handshake can lead to persistent issues. A bad pairing creates a flawed communication channel prone to random disconnects and audio glitches. Getting it right is critical for reliable performance. If the initial pairing is interrupted, the connection profile can become corrupted. Turning your earbuds off and on doesn't always solve the problem. Perform a full reset by telling your phone to forget the earbuds. Go to Bluetooth settings, find your earbuds and select Forget Device. This deletes the corrupted profile, clearing the slate for a fresh start. Repair your earbuds as if they were brand new. Follow the manufacturer's instructions precisely. Forgetting and repairing can solve connectivity issues. When your audio stutters, don't panic, start with a quick reset. Place both earbuds in their charging case and close the lid for 30 seconds. While they rest, toggle your phone's Bluetooth off and on. After the pause, open the case and take out the earbuds near your phone. They should reconnect automatically. This simple reset clears temporary glitches and re-establishes a stable connection. It's the fastest fix for most minor Bluetooth hiccups. Think of it as hitting refresh on your audio. Most dropouts are just momentary software bugs, not hardware failures. Next time your sound cuts out, try this first. It often restores clear audio instantly. Don't underestimate the power of a 1-minute reset. If a quick reset doesn't work, it's time to forget and repair your earbuds. Go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and find your earbuds in the device list. Tap Forget or Unpair to erase the old connection. Put your earbuds in pairing mode, usually by holding a button on the case. Back in Bluetooth settings, select your earbuds to reconnect. This fresh handshake often fixes stubborn dropouts for good. Explore your Bluetooth menu. Some phones let you adjust advanced settings like codecs for even more control. Don't be afraid to experiment. These options can solve compatibility issues. Forgetting and repairing is a reliable way to clear up persistent problems. A clean connection is the foundation for stable audio. Keeping your tech updated is essential for stable wireless audio. Update your phone's operating system. Bluetooth improvements are often included. Next, update your earbuds companion app from the App Store or Google Play. Outdated apps can miss critical firmware updates for your earbuds. Finally, use the app to check for and install the latest earbud firmware. Firmware updates fix bugs and improve connection reliability. Always keep all three phone OS, app and firmware up to date. Skipping updates creates weak links and more dropouts. This is the most direct way to solve many connectivity issues. Don't ignore updates, they're your best defense against glitches. For even better stability, optimize your environment. Prioritize the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band for heavy devices, leaving 2.4 GHz less crowded for Bluetooth. Move streaming and downloads to 5 GHz to clear the way for your earbuds. Check for interference microwaves, cordless phones, and tangled power cables can disrupt Bluetooth. Rearranging your space or moving a few feet away can make a big difference. Even your body can block signals. Keep your phone on the same side as your main earbud. Small changes in placement can dramatically improve connection quality. Create clean airspace for your devices to communicate. A few tweaks at home or work can eliminate many dropouts. Your environment matters, make it work for your audio. Let's talk Bluetooth codecs, the balance between audio quality and connection stability. High-end codecs like aptX, HD, and LDAC sound great but demand a stronger signal. In busy environments, these can cause more dropouts. On many Android phones, you can manually select a codec in developer options. Switching to a basic codec like SBC or aptX can instantly boost reliability. The difference in sound quality is minor for most people, but the stability gain is huge. Use high-quality codecs at home. Choose stability on the go. Adjusting this setting is a pro move for smooth audio. Prioritize what matters most for your situation, quality, or connection. Sometimes, a small compromise means no more interruptions. Let's discuss advanced habits for your wireless ecosystem. Declutter Bluetooth connections by forgetting unused devices. Be mindful of multitasking. Intensive tasks can strain your phone's resources. Close unnecessary background apps to free up processing power. Manage battery life. Low power mode can weaken the Bluetooth signal. Keep your phone and earbuds well charged for a strong connection. Reboot your device regularly to clear out software bugs. These habits optimize your ecosystem for a flawless listening experience. After all this talk of troubleshooting, you might be wondering, will this always be such a battle? The answer is no. The future of wireless audio is bright, and the next major evolution is Bluetooth LE audio. It's a fundamental re-architecture of how Bluetooth audio works, designed to solve the very problems we've been discussing. It promises higher quality audio at lower power consumption. The star of the LE audio show is the new LC3 codec, the successor to the old SBC codec. Listening tests have shown that LC3 can deliver significantly better audio quality than SBC, even at a much lower data rate. Bluetooth LE audio enables a groundbreaking feature called Auracast. Imagine walking into an airport, a gym, or a public waiting room and being able to tune into the silent TVs or public announcements directly through your own earbuds. Auracast allows a single source device to broadcast audio to an unlimited number of Bluetooth receivers. You simply scan for available Auracast streams on your phone, pick one and listen in. High-end smartphones and earbuds released in late 2024 and throughout 2025 are increasingly shipping with full support for Bluetooth LE audio and Auracast. The days of choosing between high quality and a stable connection will fade away. Instead, you'll focus purely on the sound. Beyond the core Bluetooth protocol itself, the earbuds of 2025 are becoming significantly more intelligent in how they manage their own connections. Manufacturers are embedding more powerful processors and sophisticated software directly into the earbuds, allowing them to adapt to their environment in real time. Instead of just passively receiving a signal, future earbuds will actively scan the radio frequency spectrum around them. They will be able to identify which channels are the most congested and then dynamically switch to a cleaner channel to maintain a perfect connection. This is a proactive approach to stability, not a reactive one. This onboard intelligence also extends to how earbuds communicate with each other. In many current models, one earbud acts as the primary receiver and then relays the signal to the second earbud. This master-slave system can be a point of failure. The next generation will feature independent connectivity, where both earbuds establish their own direct connection to the phone. This improves reliability by removing the relay step, but also drastically reduces latency, making them perfect for gaming and videos without audio lag. We're also seeing the rise of AI-powered connectivity management. Imagine your earbuds learning your daily routine. At home, where Wi-Fi is heavy, they automatically switch to a more robust codec, but when you go for a run in the park, they switch back to high fidelity mode for the best sound. This adaptive performance, managed by artificial intelligence, will optimize your experience without touching a setting. The earbuds make the smart choices for you. Ultimately, the goal is to make the technology completely invisible. The perfect earbuds won't have features you fiddle with, they're the ones you put in and simply forget are there. The connection will be solid, the audio clear, and the integration seamless. It just works every time. As processors get smaller and software becomes more intelligent, the era of pops, stutters and drops is finally ending, paving the way for a truly uninterrupted wireless future. We've covered a lot today, from the invisible wars in the airwaves to fixes in your phone settings. We've laid out a clear roadmap to a better listening experience. The key takeaway is simple. You are not powerless. You don't have to accept pops and dropouts. The power to achieve a stable, crystal clear connection is in your hands. It starts with understanding and taking action. The journey begins with the basics, placing earbuds in their case, toggling Bluetooth, and keeping everything updated. These actions form the bedrock of a reliable connection. Become the master of your digital environment by managing Wi-Fi and being mindful of interference. It's your turn to run the plays. Don't just listen, take action. By taking these actions, you're upgrading your entire daily experience. Reclaim the promise of wireless audio. Pure, uninterrupted sound wherever you go. The future of wireless audio is not just about avoiding frustration. It's about unlocking a more immersive and seamless world of sound. As technology like Bluetooth LE audio and Auracast becomes the new standard, the baseline for reliability will be lifted for everyone. The connection will become so robust and intelligent that it fades into the background, becoming completely invisible. The goal is to reach a point where you put your earbuds in and the technology simply disappears, leaving you with nothing but pure, unadulterated audio. This is the bright future that is already beginning to unfold in 2025, and it's incredibly exciting. Imagine a world where your connection just works every single time. You walk out of your house and your podcast doesn't skip a beat. You step onto a busy subway car and your music remains perfectly clear. You connect to the gym's television audio with a single tap, never missing a moment of the game. This isn't science fiction, it is the tangible result of the innovations we've discussed. This is the experience that engineers are working tirelessly to build, and that you can begin to create for yourself today by applying the fixes and habits we've outlined. It's about closing the gap between the promise of technology and its real-world performance. We hope this guide has been more than just a list of troubleshooting tips. We hope it has been empowering. Our goal at TechProLife is to help you get the most out of the technology that shapes your daily life. We believe that everyone deserves to have their devices work for them, not against them. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. We are constantly exploring new solutions, reviewing the latest gear, and creating content designed to make your tech life simpler, smarter, and more enjoyable. Your support helps us continue to create in-depth guides just like this one. Thank you for joining us on this journey to a better wireless experience. Go ahead and try these fixes, and let us know in the comments below which tip made the biggest difference for you. Your feedback helps the entire community learn and grow. Now, go enjoy your music, your podcasts, and your calls with the clarity and stability you've always wanted. This is the sound of a perfect connection. This is the sound of technology finally getting out of the way, so you can just listen. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you in the next one.